Hi, so far we have our products added in our administration area, but our single product page has this default layout. In this video, we start designing this single product page. So right now it looks like this. I want to get rid of the sidebar and I want a little bit different layout for the product. To do this, we need to create a custom template for all products in the Divi theme builder. So let's go to the administration, Divi, and select the theme builder option. Here we need to add a new template. As you can see, all our post types are visible here. We need to select the all products option and click create template. Okay, so the template is created. We can see that our global header and global footer are already inserted. We just need to work on the body section. So we will have the global header here, the global footer here. So we just have to work on what's in between the two. So we click add custom body and we will build the custom body from scratch. We select start building and the section is already added. We just need to select the column structure and this time we use the one column structure. So the building process is basically the same as building a normal page. First we go to the section settings, change the background to our usual color F1, 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 and we'll add some spacing 0, 0, top and bottom padding. Okay, first I want to add a breadcrumb. So just click here to add the module. And you can see there are a whole bunch of WooCommerce related modules. Here we just need to select the Woo breadcrumb module. We don't change the product because it's always going to display the selected product. You can change the home text if you want for whatever you like and just leave it on home. And you can change the separator. So if you want to use this one, then you can use. Okay, I want to change the spacing. I'll use EM. And underneath this module, I want to add the cart notice module. This module will only be visible when someone adds a product to the shopping cart. We can leave everything as it is, except some spacing options. Let's check them. 0, 2. Okay, these are okay. And we are ready with our first section. Now let's add a new section. And this is going to contain 3 columns. This is where we are going to display the product. Let's change the background of the section. And let's add 0 pixel top padding. And let's go to the row settings. The background should be white. So now we are going to use the same styling like on the home page. Under the design tab, spacing, let's add 25 pixel left and right padding. And finally, we use the default box shadow. Okay, here in the first column, I want to add the product image. For this, we use the Woo images module. Okay, and we don't need to change any more settings here. In the middle, I want to add a few modules. First, I want to add the title of the product. First, let's just add them, and then we are going to do the designing. Okay, I want to add the rating, and one more, I want to add the description. Okay, we are going to display this product description, and we are going to display the short description. Let's edit the title, the title text. Let's change it to bold. Okay, the size is okay. Here I just want to change the spacing a little bit, maybe add a little bit of negative margin, and I'm happy with the text here. Okay, let's save it and let's see how it looks on the front end. Okay, let's close this, and don't forget to save here too. Okay, and if we refresh, now it's starting to look okay. Okay, and if we go to the home page and we select different product, it's going to show that product details. Okay, let's go back to the theme builder. Click the pencil icon to edit, and let's finish our last column. So here I want to display the price. Okay, next I want to add the actual add to cart button. Okay, you don't have to worry about this one. This will only be visible if you are using variable products. Okay, then I want to add a new module, which is going to be an image module. I want to add actually this image, so the customer can see that we have various payment options. Okay, maybe in the design tab we can add some box shadow. Okay, I forgot to click OK. Okay, and under this I want to add some text. To show the customer that this product comes with free shipping. Okay, maybe we can change the text a little bit, maybe increase the size. Semi-bold. Okay, let's save it. Let's refresh. And now we can see the price. As you can see, it displays the actual price of this book, not just a random static price. It also shows the add to cart button, our image, and the text here. Okay, now let's add a new section. First, we add a section title. Let's just change the spacing a little bit, and we'll just change the text here. And you probably guessed what I want to display underneath this. I just want to add some related products. Well, we don't need to add a new section. We can just add a new module. Woo related products. Okay, I want to display 4 products in 4 columns. Let's go to the design tab. Okay, we need to change the overlay color. We can use the same color like on the home page. And we can use a white for the icon. Okay, title text. It can be semi-bold. Okay, so we have one problem. The title of the module is displayed here, but in the settings we don't have any option to turn it off, but we can use CSS to hide it. So let's just go to the Advanced tab, Custom CSS, and here we have a bunch of elements that we can target, and we need the title. And here we just add the display none. Okay, and it should take care of it. Let's see on the home page. Okay, it doesn't show anything, probably because this product doesn't have any related products. So let's go back here. And go to products. Yes, we have only one romance book in the romance category. So let's just edit one of the products, and let's add this also to the romance category. Okay, and if we refresh, we have the product displayed, but we also have the title. So I must have done something wrong. So let's go back. Theme builder. Okay, let's check this again. Advanced. So in the custom CSS, if in the title section I'll add display none, this should not be visible. So I'm sure this is in the right place. It's probably Divi acting up again. So what we can do is to exit the theme builder, go to the home page, and in Chrome just click inspect element, and we can see that this is what we are trying to target. These are the classes that we need, so I'll just copy them. I'll go to Divi theme options, and here in the custom CSS section I'll just add these here. And if I refresh, now it's gone. Okay. Okay, now I just want to do something with this price. So I'll go back to the theme builder. Click the module settings. And I need the price text. Okay, I want to align it to the center. I want this semi-bold and maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, let's go to the image settings and maybe play with the box shadow settings a little bit. Okay, let's see how it looks. Now it looks much better. I can see I forgot to add the white background to this row. So I just go back here. And okay, I made a mistake because I put the section title and the related products module in the same row. So I'll just I just create a new row. And I will just drag this whole module into this new row. Okay, and now if I edit the row, I can add the white background. Obviously, I need to add some left and right padding. I think it was 25 pixel we used. Okay, and we also use the default box shadow option. Okay, let's save it. And now it's much better. And when we'll have more related products, they will automatically be displayed here. Here we used the short description. If you want to add a longer description, then you can create a new section here and just add that here. In the next video, we are going to add a section, maybe here, where we can display some pages from the book, kind of a sneak peek option. This is not a default WooCommerce option, so we will need to use a new plugin to do that.